Hi guys, thanks for joining us today for our Craft for Backyard Bible Club. Now this craft is going to be something that you'll need just a little bit of. Now all you'll need is a phone or some kind of electronic device that is connected to the internet, a piece of paper, and a pen or a pencil. Either one doesn't matter, as long as you can write. And if you want afterwards, you can also draw it. So one thing that you first have to do is that you're going to find yourself a meme. Now, if you don't know what a meme is, it's one of those jokes with photos on it. So, for example, it looks like this. Something very, very similar to this. If you guys can see that. You know, where they have the joke and then the other joke, the punchline of the joke. That's how it would go. Now, the next part is you want to do, the piece of paper, what you're going to want to do is, you're going to want to sketch it on this as best you can. If you can. Now, if you can also find and print something very similar to what I just showed you guys, so in terms of like showing the text or something along those lines, do something like that. And you can print it off and glue it or tape it onto the paper, or even write that on the paper that you have. Either way, it does not matter. That's simply what the craft will be. And then you get to write your own meme. And that's why our craft is called Judge Memes, because we're making our own memes this week. That's what it is. So example, now, make it easier is that, let's say, just how I made the joke about vanilla and chocolate ice cream. You can say, when you see vanilla, or when you see chocolate, or something along the lines, similar to that if you want. Or you can find another meme or do something like that for the older kids. Now, younger kids, if your parents or if you're doing this by yourself, make sure that you guys can have the parents help you with this, with sketching, or even if you want to draw on your own and make your own, go on ahead. That's the fun part about this, is this is a judgment-free meme zone. You can draw or do whatever you want to your memes or anything. So that's what this week's craft is. And if you guys give me a second, I'll show you what it looks like, at least what mine will look like. And here we go. Our genuine photo. Now, this doesn't look exactly like it. Let me pull up the photo again, the meme again. Having some technical difficulties. Sorry about that, guys. Like this. Here we go. See the top one right over here? Huh. Just like those two. Looks a lot different than it, doesn't it? Doesn't look as good. And I promise you, he's not mad at either of the photos. I promise you that. So that's what our craft is today, just making a fun little meme. And the fun part about it is, it doesn't matter how bad it looks or how good it looks. What matters is that you remember that judging others is not the good thing. It's up to God to judge. That is the point of the meme, or not point of the meme, the point of the craft today. I guess you can make a meme out of it if you really wanted to. But no, that's our video for our craft today. Just make sure you spend some time either sketching it out on your own, freestyle, which means by yourself, no over the photo, or put it over the phone or whatever device, or even if it's a piece of paper. And you have a thin enough piece that you can put it on top and you can write over and sketch it and trace it, which is what I tried to do, but it's not the best, obviously. Well, hope you guys have a great day, and just remember that we at LCC, we miss you, we love you, we can't wait to see you again. Bye, guys. Hope you have a great rest of your week.